Okay, BFR occlusion training. This is going to be help to intensify your home workouts. Some people will enjoy it, some people won't. However, I'm just going to run through a couple of quick tips on how to use it safely and effectively. So, number one, it's only going to go on your arms or your legs. It will only work on the extremities of the body. So we want to be cuffing either at the top of the bicep here, or at the top of the thigh. So with that, we want to look at tightness level. We want to be looking at around 7 out of 10. Any tighter than this can obviously cut off your circulation and cause a tingling sensation. If you get that, take it off immediately. We only want to be going to a 7 out of 10 on the tightness scale. Weight-wise, what we want to be using for the occlusion band training is approximately 20 to 40% of our 1 rep max. So the weight is obviously a lot less. This is why it's a good option to do at home where people haven't got access to a lot of weight. So yeah, between 20 to 40% of your maximal effort. And rep-wise on this, guys, what we're going to be looking at is between 15 to 30 reps per set. So generally a lot higher than what we'll be doing normally in our training. Our rest time reduces as well. So rather than sort of like 60 seconds plus, we're looking at between 30 to 45 seconds rest period on this. So for an example, if you're to do a set for biceps, we'll do your 15 to 30 reps, generally to pretty much failure. You would rest 30 to 45 seconds, then you would then repeat that again for 1 to 2 more sets, depending on obviously how fatigued you get. You probably will feel quite fatigued on this because there's a lot of stress on the muscle. So don't be doing this on every exercise. A couple of you I will put in towards the end of your workouts. Just 1 to 2 exercises per body part, but we don't need to be doing this all the time. It's just another variation to intensify your training and go forward from there.